Hey guys, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a beaded pin making video. Okay, this is just a small little video, a video to help you get creative and, so you can go out and make something really cute, right? So I had a request for this video from my subscribers, from some of my subscribers, and I just wanted to, share with you how I made these. Now, these have been around for a long time, these beaded pins, several years, and there are lots of videos on YouTube about how to make these. They're really easy and simple to make. Lots of people are doing them. There are lots of videos on Instagram and all that, and Pinterest as well. So I have been wanting to make these for quite a long time, but I didn't have a lot of these big giant beads, these bubblegum beads. So now that I have a nice little stash of beads, I thought, well, now's the perfect time to make them. So these are the ones that I have, and they're okay. I have multiple colors. So I'm just going to show you how I make them. Now, everybody makes them different. Some people even hang charms off of them. I've seen a lot of people do that. I'm not going to do that in this video, but that's something you can definitely try, okay? So these are all of my beautiful beaded pins. I wanted to do something kind of fun. They're each so different and so whimsical, so I'm going to probably gift a few of these and sell some, okay? And I have sold some already, all right? So, yeah, all right. I'll show you, I will show you where I got the pen blanks from, which is Amazon, okay? And then I got pouches for them, and I will go over all the beads that I kind of pulled out in case I want to use them, okay? Now, here are the pen blanks. You can get these off of Amazon, and I will put an affiliate link down in the description. I figure you're going to shop on Amazon. You might as well shop with, use my link. I'll get a couple of cents from it, literally a couple of cents from you shopping my Amazon link. It's affiliate link. So, yeah, I think you get 10 in a pack. I think I used one already, but yeah, you could come like this, in a little pouch, a little package like that. Okay, so you just pull it out and you unscrew it, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So I'm gonna pull out a few that I want to maybe use right now. But really quick, let me go over some of the other stuff I have here. I got some pouches. Okay, so the pouches, so you buy one out of my Etsy shop. So you get this one, say, and it'll come in a little pouch like this with a refill, okay? So yeah, that's so cute. And then you can, I will list these also down in the description. These different color pouches. And then, of course, I have a package of the black pouches, just all black. I think you get 20 pieces in here, 25 pieces, something like that. I will list these as well down in the description box, okay? So they make great gifts, and, for any, if you want to gift somebody something around Christmas time especially, with a beautiful notes pad set or something like that, or a beautiful journal or something like that, that'd make a great gift, I think. And then, of course, these work great at craft fairs and things like that, so. All right, so yes, I love those. And then let me go over the beads that I got. Okay, now these beads are random. Most of these, some of these are from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Well, I already opened those, but yeah. So these are just some of the beads I pulled out that I may or may not use. Big hole beads. Any big hole beads you have will be great. I have the ones here that I've been working on. Spacers, beads, giant beads. Okay. I got my little shaped beads here from Michael's. I love these beads. A lot of people are getting these. I have some of these. I have packs of bubblegum beads here. Okay, lots of packs of bubblegum beads. Here, I'll show you these two. Okay, I got those. I have these beautiful spacers from Panda Hall Beads. I got these from Amazon. I will list these below in the description. So if you want to, check these out, these are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And they come in different colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful on jewelry. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. And then I got these from Joann's. I had not shared these because I forgot to share them in a haul. But I got these cute little shaped beads here, big hole shaped beads at Joann's in the kids section. Okay, so if you're looking for these, that's where I got these, and they were on sale at the time. I think they were a couple of bucks a bag, something like that. And of course I have my metal line beads that I got at Joann's as well. All right, so I got different kinds of those, so for different things. So I pulled out a bunch of stuff because I don't know what I'm going to use, and I have some spacers also. I got these at BB Craft, but Amazon sells these as well, so I will list these down in the description as well. Okay, so all the stuff, everything I can list down in the description, I will. So that way you can just click on the description and buy it if you want to. Okay, and then you're going to need some hypo cement with this. Okay, this glue or any jewelry glue that you like. and maybe a pair of tweezers. And I will list these as well, okay? So everything will be listed down in the description, so you won't have to look for anything, all right? Now, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I pulled out a few blanks. I'm not sure which ones I want to work with. I think I'm going to try this pink one. I think it will be kind of pretty and whimsical. All right, so now when you get the pins, this is how they work. You can either twist it from up here, I think, yeah, like that, to get the pin out, and you twist it back. All right, so now this part of the pin comes out as well as this cap comes off. So either way, you could just unscrew it and thread your beads there. I personally like to do it like this because I like to see my design. I try not to mess with that, but if it what I would do once I was done with my design is put a little glue inside of this hole here and screw it back in just to make sure it stays tight. Okay, it's pretty in there tight right now. So all right, so let's put these aside just for a moment. Oh, see, I like this color. I think this color looks really good, but I already have a few pink ones in there. So I don't want to open a new pack when I don't have to. And I got a few pink ones in here. All right. So that's the thing. Mix and match your beads. Okay. Now, I think I like this. You don't have to be matchy-matchy. But, you know, it's nice when the color flows. All right. So let's take out a couple of these. I already have one of these out somewhere. Hold on. So I like that. That's okay, but nah. Hold on. Let's pull out here. I actually do have some storage boxes for these beads. I just have not put them in there. And I need to because it'll be a lot easier to get to them. I had them stored on my bead stand there. All right, so I like this one. Let's see if these fit. Now you will have to test these beads to see what fits and what doesn't, okay? All right, so let's do something fun here. We like this one, this big hole bead. Okay. I have one of these over here. I have a couple of spacers over here that I was playing with earlier. If not, we will cut that up. It doesn't have to be pinky, all straight pink or anything like that, you know. It just depends on what it is you want to do. Okay. So now I like to put my big bead at the base. That's just how I like to do it, but you can string them on however you want. And I would put some spacers here in between just for some glamour. I want to see how it looks. Okay, because sometimes, yeah, you can only put so many beads on here. Like, that's really pretty, right? Very, very pretty. But I'm in the liking to try one of these little hearts, because I think, or little stars or something. Let's see. Let's pull them out. Let's see what looks really cute. Oh, this one will be pretty. Oh, let's see if it'll fit, because, yeah, see, that's cute, but it's a little... You won't be able to screw the lid on it. All right. So let's try and do... You're going to have to do this. Try a bunch of different beads. Oh, that's pretty. Right? Going to have to try a bunch of different beads. I'm like, that's cute. But no, we can't do that. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Actually, that's pretty cute. I wasn't expecting to like that. That's really, really... That's pretty cute. All right. Let's see if we can try to... screw this on. All right, there we go. And there we go. That's just how simple and easy it is, guys. Look at that. Very, very pretty. You know, I think that... Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so now I did not use any of these big hole bead spacers on here, but you certainly are able to do that, okay? You can put them inside, especially these beads. You know, these line beads, you can put the big hole spacers inside of those to keep the bead from moving around. You know, it like moves around, you know. But they're pretty secure. What I would do is before I was done, take your hypo cement, which will also be listed down in the description, you know, because this is my go-to glue, or use, like I said, whatever glue you like. Put a tad bit of glue. Put just a little bit of glue inside the hole. All right. And once you do that, you screw it on tight. And there you go. You're done. Okay. You're done. That's it. See, it's just super simple. Very pretty. It's your layout that's going to be the thing. You know, you really do have to go through a bunch of beads to see what fits on your pin. Because not all big beads fit on these pins. Okay. There are some that don't fit at all because the holes have to be big enough. Like, for instance, these. All right, let's just do these. Let me show you these. This is pretty, this pink. See, like this pink, see how this bead is, right? It doesn't go through. See that? Yeah, it's not going to go through. Even though it's a big hole and it's a big bead, it's not going to fit on these. Okay, so you really just have to sit down and play with it and figure out what fits and what doesn't. I'm liking this pink, y'all. Wait a minute. Wait, I hadn't even planned on making this one. Let me see. I got some pink ones here. That's pretty. Let me see. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. I'm looking like, wait, I like that. That blue and pink would be pretty. And I have some blue spacers would be very pretty. Oh, and gold. Yeah, that's pretty. Let me think about it. Let me see. We'll see. I think pink and gold would be gorgeous. Right? See, I wouldn't cut these open because I kind of have some here, but they're a little bit different. Let me see. Are they the same? Similar? These are a little bit bigger. Out of the bubblegum beads are a little bit bigger than these. Oh, those are pretty though. All right, well, we'll see. Well, let's try it and see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, no, it doesn't work for me. Okay, never mind. Wait, let's see. Let's try that. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. You know what I mean? So you could just string them like that. If you want to just do the three big giant beads and put your cap on there and close it up and you're done. That's it. But you know, I like to make my stuff just look a little bit more glamorous. That's just what I like. That's my aesthetic. So I'm not doing that. I'm going to be making some other stuff here. So I'll play with this later. But I'm kind of liking making a gold one. Let's try the gold. Let's put these aside. Let's make a pretty gold one, y'all. Let me see. Oh, I guess I could probably take that back out. That gold. Let's put these away. We'll put these aside, y'all, because we may use them. Okay, get one of these gold beads out of here, just in case. And then we look at our little thing here. I would probably use gold on these just because this is a gold pin. And, you know, you just got to really try different things and see what works. That's really it. That's probably the hardest thing to make in these. I mean, they're simple and easy to make. It's just you got to try a bunch of stuff to figure out what works. Like that is good. You know, like this. That's pretty. See, look at that. Let me see. I got a big giant bead right here. Let me see if this will work. I don't think it will. See how big that is? It's not going to. Oh, wait. Well. Oh, wait. Yeah, it did work. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a second. It's a little big. It's going to make the pen kind of heavy, but look at that. I like it. I kind of like it, guys. Let's see. Just a second here. I hadn't planned on that. Wait a minute now. Sookie, as they say. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like the one I made for myself, actually. I like that. Ooh, we like. Hold on. Let's see what else we can find. Let's find another one of these. And then you have I have some plain. You can put plain ones on there. You can put rhinestones, whatever you want. Is, you know, up to you. It's your pen. You can make whatever you want. See, that's a little much. I can't put the cap on there. But that's gorgeous. What I would do is, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to try to change this design around just a little bit. Let's see how this works better. Okay, because I don't want to use two of the spacers there. I will see. I kind of like that. That's pretty. But then again, let's see. I have to be able to fit the cap on the bead, on the pen. So you may have to change your design around in order to fit the cap on like that, right? So look at that. See, that's pretty. I like that. That's very pretty. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Right? Can you see those? Pretty. All right, y'all. So I've been sitting here playing with this, and I don't have any orange beads. So this is the best I could come up with was this. You know, something like that. I don't know. I'm just here. Let's try this. Or maybe I need a solid gold bead, huh? That might work. Let's try a solid gold one. Let's see. I think these will fit. I just want to make a few on camera so you can see how they look, you know. Oh, that one's cool. And this one's cool. Let's try that. Okay, let's try that. I don't have any in here, huh? All right, let's see. So I love that. I like, let's see. I think this is going to look a little weird, but let's try it anyway. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't likey. No likey. Me no likey. Let's see here. How about this? This one? See, you gotta kind of make sure they fit. Oh, that looks good. Okay. And then maybe one of these. I don't know. That's not bad. See, that's not bad. And then I open these. The thing about these beads, guys, just remember they're like kind of neon. So if you don't like neon or bright colors, they probably won't go with the pins, but you can still put them on there if you so choose to. Like if I wanted to put the heart on there, I could do that. Or here, let's take that off just so you can see it. You see what I mean? Like it's still kind of cute. Wait, there you go. That's still kind of cute, but it's not my style. So we will save those. And then I don't know if I like this. See, that's the thing. It's like anything, making any type of jewelry, anything. It's all in your layout, you know. Got to figure out your layout. If you like your layout or not. If you don't like the layout, it's gonna be pointless. I don't know if I like that, but it's okay. Let's see if it works. All right, let's screw that on there. And if that's the thing. Before you glue it in, if you decide that, hey, you know what, I really don't like this, you can change it out. You know, you can definitely change it out. Well, that is pretty though. Okay, that's pretty. See, kind of pretty. Mix and match the colors, very bright and vivid, pretty. I like it. All right, so, all right, guys. So now you get the gist of the beaded pin video. I would suggest sitting and playing with all the beads that you have. Make sure they fit. If you like your layout, your spacers, all that kind of stuff, because it all makes a big difference, you know, in how you do this. You know, most people just put the beads on there and screw it and that's done. But as you can see here, this is gorgeous. You know, like these fit right in. These are the ones I just made, these 3. And they fit right in with the other ones. Really, really pretty, you know. So yeah, you definitely have to sit and play with it. Here. All right, let's put them all together here. All right, let's see. Like this is the other orange one that I had. And that's pretty. Right? So see the two? See how pretty? Okay, so yeah, just sit and play with it. And be creative with it. And make it your own. And lay it out how you like it. And make sure you know, have all your beads together. And just make something beautiful. So I hope this video inspired you to be creative. That's my aim. That's why I have this channel, to inspire you to be creative and make beautiful things. All right. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Definitely give me a follow on my social media at Stephanie Garrett Creative and at Stephanie Garrett Designs on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer and get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.